better go back to where you're from.
You just walked into her. Excuse me.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you deserved it.
Oh my God.
In my opinion. Yeah, you pushed her and she smacked you. That was self-defense on her part.
Oh, she grabbed me.
Nope.
Are you the manager?
Yes. You need to leave. You need to leave. We're not serving you. We do not serve you.
Excuse me, but you did say that she needs to go back to her country. What kind of what is that?
Originally, Native Americans are
Excuse
from
me,
this
this is what this
country.
whole world-
White people are not from this country. Don't serve her.
Yeah, you do not serve
Don't
her.
serve
She
her
does not-
racist.
You don't tell. No. Continue serving. Continue serving.
You need to leave. You're not
No,
a
no,
part
no,
of this.
no, no.
You need to leave. You're not a part of this.
racist.
No.
You're racist.
No, you do not
You
come
just
in here
told-
and use the F word and swear and call me a bitch.
I've never even said
I
that
said she
word.
is, and
I've
you're not
never
a part of
even said
it.
that word.
So
You're
you
making
get out of
stuff
here.
up now.
I know. I said
No.
she is, and that's why she's leaving. So
Okay.
you will leave too.
No. This is going all over the internet. You don't know who I am. You told her to go back to her country where she's from.
That's assault. You
Yeah.
guys know that, right?
Yeah.
Where were you born?
Where were you born? I was born in America. Where are your ancestors from?
You're
They're
going-
not from this country.
You're going back to Mexico.
You better go back to where you're from.
You just walked into her. Excuse me.
Wow.
Oh my
see?
God.
Yeah, you deserved it.
Oh my God.
In my opinion. Yeah, you pushed her and she smacked you. That was self-defense on her part.
Oh, she grabbed me.
Nope.